Okay, welcome all of you. Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. Welcome all of you to the session on work and time. All clear? Yes. Mention in the chat. So I think it is clear now. So please let your friends know that the lecture has started. Yeah, there was a technical issue with the video and audio. To be frank, the video and audio was not working due to the streaming software. There was some problem with the update or something. So that was sorted now only. Yeah, when there is some technical issue like this, please be little more considerate, all of you. In the chat, please don't create confusion, and other people will be confused whether the class is to be started or not. I have already informed in the chat that there will be a delay in the class due to this, and yeah, actually technical issues to sort out, that it takes an effort also. So when I'm taking that effort, you people are just chatting in the chat, chatting in the live chat that class has started and all. Please don't do that. That will be more confusing, and that will be difficult to manage. So please don't do that. And those people, yeah, I agree that when there is a technical issue, you will not be aware whether the class is starting. So at that time, the best thing to do is you can subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Then you will be getting update that the class is live now. That is the best way to lessen the confusion. So let us start the session. All of you comment whether audio video is clear and whether you are able to see me and hear me properly. All of you mention. The technical issue is sorted and the class is started. Please let your friends also know the class is started. All these streams, all the 29 streams in GATE, your course common hai. So all of you invite all your friends who are preparing for GATE for any of these streams. Sara streams ka GATE General Aptitude same hai. So invite your friends. So okay, all clear. For the new people, this is the bio of me, and this is the details of my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, and the playlist link of this course also. All the three are given in this description of this video. You can get the link from there, and there is a dedicated Telegram channel for this course alone. That will also be tagged in the chat in some time, there you will get the daily study materials. हर क्लास के बाद वो क्लास का क्वेश्चंस, होमवर्क क्वेश्चन सारा वो टेलीग्राम चैनल और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में हम पब्लिश करेगा. So you can be part of that also for further learning and further discussion. And CSIR-NET aspirants, this is currently the bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A. I am the author of this book. This also you can refer. This is the complete schedule of this course. The previous 11 lectures you can check out in this channel itself. The playlist is given in the chat in the description of this video. So today's topic is work and time. Previous all lectures are completed. वो सारा link ये playlist में available है, ये channel का playlist में. Okay, so that is it. Let's start. Work and time. Work and time is a chapter that many people have confusion, isn't it? Work and time chapter. About confusing here, that is a perspective of many people. Yeah, can you tell me how many of you are, what is your opinion about work and time chapter? Is it easy, difficult, moderate level, or what is the challenge that you face? You can mention in the chat so that we can get a connect today, as today due to technical issue I was also disturbed. So please comment now so that we can interact in the class. Live chat में comment करिए work and time chapter का chapter. What is your perspective about it? ये chapter easy है, difficult है, या ये question ये chapter क्या है वो भी पता नहीं है. What about it? Can you tell me? Yeah, there will be different type of students. Now some students will be already familiar with the chapter, already good with the chapter. Some people are new to the chapter. Some people have tried the questions but not able to find the answer or feel it very difficult. Some of you have attended my previous lectures. There you got clarity. So all those people are there. So most of you believe it is difficult, moderate. Some of you believe it is easy, very good. And those who believe it easy, please help me out to help others also. ये live chat में और comment section में you can also give your inputs for a question, how you solved it and what is the approach you have used. So Let us make this an interactive session itself. Okay, so let us make it, if it is moderate for you, I will make it easy for you. If it is difficult for you, I will make it moderate or easy for you. So let us make this chapter interesting. That is the first thing, to make a chapter easy. Let us make it interesting. So I will give you some examples by which it will be made interesting. So work and time chapter mein, a person, a group of people, yeah, something will do a work. That work can be anything. So to make this chapter interesting, you can think about a work that is interesting for you. एक work ले लो, वो work आपके लिए interesting हो. Like eating chocolate, वो एक work है ना. Eating a pizza, that is a work. Are you understanding? Or drinking a bottle of water, that is a work. ऐसा एक interesting work का example ले लो, उसके बाद questions easy हो जाएगा, because your perspective will change about the chapter if you are taking an interesting example. So that is what I am going to do. So I will show you the concepts of this chapter with questions. First I will show you some questions by which you can build the concept. उसके बाद हम previous year question papers शुरू करेगा. That is how we will proceed this lecture. So those of you who want to be part of the dedicated Telegram channel for this course, the Telegram channel link is tagged in the live chat right now. वहाँ पे you will get the daily class links also, homework questions also, and when a class is delayed, you will get update in that channel itself. Hopefully those in the channel you will be getting an update now. If not, I will share the update now that the class has started, so that anyone who is not aware that the class started as after technical issue will be able to know about it. Okay, so work and time mein, there are different approaches. Unitary approach है, LCM approach है, percentage approach है, efficiency approach है, बहुत सारा approaches है. I will tell you about two major approaches first. Unitary approach and LCM approach. दोनों approach का idea तो same है, लेकिन perspectives different है. So maybe one method you will like more than the other. That will also be relative. One person may feel one method better, one person may feel another method better. Okay, the video is getting cut now. Okay, no problem. I will show you a question so that I get an idea how many of you are already familiar with this chapter. A very simple question we will start with. ये question try करिए. By that time I will adjust the slide a bit so that slide does not get cut. All of you try it. I will set the timer also. One and a half minutes to try. Try it please, all of you. Okay, so I will explain. I'll explain the concept with this example itself so that everyone get an idea what is work and time chapter or work and time problem. If Ram takes 10 days to complete a work and Shyam takes 15 days to complete the same work, so ये वर्क कुछ भी हो सकता है. वर्क ऐसा हो सकता है एक पिज्जा खाना. It can be eating a pizza, eating a full pizza. If you like pizza, that example will be more interesting. Or it can be like eating some number of chocolates. So anything can be a work. So I am considering here, Ram takes 10 days to complete a work. Let eating a whole pizza is the work to be done. Yeah, I will take an image of the pizza. This whole pizza ko khana hai. Yeah, in 10 days eating, the pizza will be also rotten, but we can just imagine that so that it is interesting. एक पूरा पिज्जा खाने के लिए राम को 10 days लगेगा, शाम को सेम पूरा पिज्जा खाने के लिए 15 days लगेगा. तो वो एक साथ खाया तो कितना डेज लगेगा? डेफिनेटली वो 10 से भी कम, सॉरी वो 10 से भी कम, 15 से भी कम होगा ना. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई इट इज 10 से भी कम, 15 से भी कम? बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम आर टुगेदर डूइंग द वर्क. सो कम दिन में कर सकता है ना. और वी कैन से द वर्क डन विल बी टेकिंग लेस टाइम. Time will be less if more people are there. Are you all understanding? So time is inversely proportional to the people or the efficiency. Efficiency inversely proportional to time or vice versa. Okay, so this pizza eating is the work to be done, we are assuming. So first method is called unitary approach. Unitary approach is very interesting. It is, we are considering total work is 1. यहां पे रिलेट करने के लिए टोटल वर्क इज ईटिंग 1 होल पिज्जा. उसके लिए राम के लिए 10 days लगेगा. मतलब राम विल टेक 10 days मींस 1 day कितना वर्क करेगा? 1 day ये पिज्जा का 1/10 खा सकता है ना. ये पिज्जा को 10 पार्ट्स इक्वली कट करके उसका 1 out of 10 पार्ट्स खा सकता है राम. दैट इज अ मीनिंग ना. That means 1 day work of Ram is 1/10. This is called unitary approach. Unitary approach में idea क्या है? We will assume total work be 1. Total work equal to 1. So 1 day work, यहाँ पे सारा days में है इसलिए 1 unit work. Minutes है तो 1 minute work. Hour है तो 1 hour work. So 1 day work of Ram will be how much? 1/10 of the total work 1. मतलब टोटल पिज्जा का 1 out of 10 पीसेस खा सकता है. पिज्जा एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग बिकॉज दैट इज इजी टू रिलेट, कटिंग इनटू 10 पार्ट्स एंड ऑल. सिमिलरली शाम का वर्क कितना होगा? 1 day वर्क. ऑल ऑफ यू कॉमेंट. शाम को भी सेम पिज्जा दे रहा है ना. सेम पिज्जा शाम के लिए 15 days लगेगा. सो शाम विल कट इट इनटू 15 इक्वल पार्ट्स एंड ईट 1 part every day. मतलब 1 day work will be 1 out of 15 parts ना. In the first class ratio proportion percentage class I told you fractions if you start loving then many chapters will become easy. This chapter also fraction का proper understanding है तो fractions if it is creating phobia for you this chapter also will be difficult. So to avoid the phobia I am taking the example of pizza. You are cutting the pizza into 15 equal parts. If the pizza is cut into 15 equal parts like this, so 1 out of 15 parts only Sham will eat in a day. मतलब अभी राम और श्याम मिला के एक दिन कितना पीस खाएगा? The problem is Ram is taking different time, Sham is taking different time ना. Now both of them 1 day कितना खा सकता है? Everything in 1 day we have made it. Now you can say Ram and Shyam together कितना खा सकता है? 1/10 पीस राम खाएगा, 1/15 पीस श्याम खाएगा. मतलब मिला के LCM लिया तो 30 होगा. LCM 10 और 15 का. हाँ, LCM कैसा फाइंड करना है? Those of you doubt, please learn it somehow. Now if I start teaching it, we cannot cover the whole content of work and time. So please learn work and time LCM approach. What is LCM or how to find LCM very fast because this chapter demands that a lot. So 10 को 30 बनाने के लिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो 3 न्यूमरेटर में होगा. 15 को 30 बनाने के लिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो 2 न्यूमरेटर में होगा. दैट इज 5/30. 5/30 इज 1/6 ना. मतलब राम और श्याम मिला के ये टोटल पिज्जा का 1/6 खा सकता है. दैट इज अ मीनिंग. टोटल पिज्जा को 6 इक्वल पोर्शंस कट किया तो 6 इक्वल पोर्शंस कट किया तो दिस इज नॉट इक्वल बट जस्ट अस्यूम दिस इज इक्वल फॉर कन्वीनियंस आई एम ड्रॉइंग इट लाइक दिस 6 इक्वल पीसेस कट किया तो उसमें से 1 पीस एक दिन खाएगा, वो दोनों मिला के 1/6 पीसेस खा सकता है। मतलब वो दोनों मिला के एक दिन 1/6 पीसेस खाएगा, दूसरा दिन एक और 1/6, तीसरा दिन ऐसा एक और 1/6। सो पूरा पिज्जा फिनिश करना, दैट इज द वर्क वी हैव टू कंप्लीट ना। उसके लिए कितना दिन लगेगा? 6 days लगेगा ना। 1/6 into what is 1? That is the question. 1/6 into what is 1? This is called efficiency approach also. 1/6 is the efficiency. Time period. Efficiency into time period is total work. Efficiency into time period is total work. Efficiency is 1 out of 6 pieces of the pizza can be eaten. How many days we don't know. That is equal to 1. That is clearly 6 na. That you don't have to write as an equation. I am writing it just to make you understand. That is the other approach. That when I teach you more questions, I will explain more about it. So 1/6 into 6 is 1. Did you all understood this? All of you, is it clear or not? That means 6 days are needed. How many days are needed is the question. 6 days are needed is the answer. This is called unitary approach of doing work and time problem. Unitary approach सबको clear है? Unitary approach का idea ये है total work 1 assume करना. Convenience या question interesting बनाने के लिए 1 को मैं 1 पिज्जा assume किया. आपको पिज्जा पसंद नहीं है तो डोसा assume करिए. 1 डोसा खाना है. 1 डोसा खाने के लिए राम को लगेगा कितना दिन? 10 days लगेगा. मतलब एक दिन वो डोसा का सिर्फ 1/10 पीसेस खा सकता है. शाम ये पूरा डोसा का 1/15 पीसेस खा सकता है. मतलब राम और शाम मिला के 1/6 प्लस 1/10 प्लस 1/15 1/6 पीसेस ही खा सकता है राम और शाम मिला के. सो ऐसा 6 दिन चाहिए ना पूरा 1 पीस खाने के लिए, क्योंकि 1/6 6 बार ऐड किया तो 1 मिलेगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट? सो दैट इज वाई 6 days is the answer. I hope all of you. Yeah, burger if you want, you take burger. It is all free. Imagination, that is a good thing about imagination. We don't have to pay any money to imagine we eating a pizza. We imagine eating a dosa, eating a burger. So, yes, Risky. So, let us, are you all understanding what is unitary approach? So, unitary approach कनेक्ट करिए पिज्जा से so that you will never forget it. Now the second approach is called LCM approach. LCM approach learn करने के लिए I will take the LCM example of chocolates. Yeah, Ferrero Rocher chocolate or any chocolate you can take. Don't start asking Ferrero Rocher itself is important, or can we take any cheaper chocolate? You can take any chocolate, or you don't take chocolate also, I don't have any problem. Anything that you can count 1 2 3 4, that will be better. So I am taking chocolates. So the second approach is called, same question को second approach से मैं explain कर रहा हूँ, that is called LCM approach. LCM approach. LCM approach will look little more easier. What is LCM approach? Listen, same question है ये. Don't think that it is a different question. Ram takes 10 days to complete a work. Sham takes 15 days to complete a work. ये total work 1 assume किया, that was unitary method ना. Total work 1 assume किया, that was unitary method. But LCM approach में total work 1 नहीं, total work I am assuming as LCM of first one's work and second one works. Not first one works, second one work, first one's time and second one's time. So that the calculation will be easy. That is the importance of LCM approach. So I am assuming let total work be. Previous question में total work 1 assume किया, यहाँ पे total work is LCM of राम का टाइम शाम का टाइम 10-15. 10-15 का LCM तो 30 है ना. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में 1 होल पिज्जा ईट करना था, यहाँ पे 30, but 30 pizza will be very unhealthy ना. So let us take 30 chocolates. because 30 pizza eating may be not very practically relatable. So we will take a chocolate, not take a chocolate. 30, that means 30 chocolates eating is the work. Are you getting the point? 30 chocolates. This is 30 chocolates. You can count it if you want. Fundamental principle of counting use कर सकता है ना. First row में 10, 3 row sets, so 10 into 3, 30 chocolates है. 30 chocolates खाना है, that is what we need to do. 30 chocolates खाना है. We नहीं, राम. So 30 chocolates खाने के लिए ये 10 days लगेगा. We are replacing completing a work as eating LCM of 10 and 15, eating 30 chocolates. That is the work given to both the people. So together if they work, how many days they will take to completely eat all these 30 chocolates? That's a question. So 10 days लगेगा राम को ये 30 chocolates complete करने के लिए. 10 days ये पूरा 30 chocolates खाने के लिए. Here also we are finding the one day work itself. That is why I told you LCM approach is only an extension of unitary method itself. So one day work of RAM कितना होगा? एक दिन कितना चॉकलेट खा सकता है? 1/10 of 30 ना, 10 days में 30, so 1 day में 3 होगा ना, 1 day में 3. So राम 1 day 3 chocolates खा सकता है. Shyam will eat 1/15th. Shyam will eat 1/15th of 30, 2 chocolates each. Are you understanding? That means Ram and Shyam together 5 chocolates खा सकता है 1 day itself. 1 day 5 chocolates. So 1 day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. कितना days चाहिए? 6 days चाहिए. That is called LCM approach. Are you understanding? These are the two major approaches by which most of the questions can be done. There are other approaches, percentage approaches there, efficiency approaches there. That only when question needs that I will explain it. Exactly risky. 1 day में 5 means 2 day में 10, 3 day में 15, 4 day में 20, 5 day में 25, 6 day में 30. 30 chocolates खाना है ना, that is the objective. Practically imagine Ram and Shyam or you and your friend eating 5 chocolates in a day. So ऐसा 6 days चाहिए ना total 30 chocolates खाने के लिए. नहीं है तो mathematically speaking 5 into x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 by 5, 6. But our idea of this course itself is avoiding these steps as much as possible. Na? That is why logically imagine karo, that is better. That will save a lot of time. Please respond, all of you understood unitary method and LCM approach. Unitary method में क्या करेगा? LCM method में क्या करेगा? Unitary method में total work तो 1 है, यहाँ पे total work तो LCM of both the times होगा, the 2 times. LCM approach कुछ question में कुछ ambiguous होगा. That is why unitary method also is needed. Some of you may be thinking LCM approach तो fast है ना unitary से, then why we can't stick to LCM all the time? That is a problem I told you. Some question में LCM approach use करना थोड़ा complicated होगा. You will not understand which one's LCM to find. That is why unitary method is also important. So both the method, the idea is 1 day work you will find. For this particular question, 1 day work, यहाँ पे LCM of 15, 10 and 15 लेना था, so 30 होगा total work. So 1 day work राम का श्याम का दोनों केस में फाइन किया. 1 day work राम और श्याम का यहाँ पे 1/10 और 1/15 था. Fraction involved हुआ. That is a problem with unitary method. But if you start loving fraction, unitary method itself is enough for all questions. But many people I know still have trouble with fraction. When you see fraction itself, you are feeling like, okay, this is fractions. I don't like this. I want numbers, natural numbers. For those people, I will say LCM approach, wherever possible you use, but limitations are there. I will explain that in the further questions. So 1/30 total राम का वर्क कितना होगा? 30 का 1/10 होगा. 30 का 1/10, 1/10 of 30 या 1/10 of 1/15 of 30 होगा. So that will be 3 and 2. Here it is 1 by 10 and 1 by 15. So then 1 day work of Ram and Shyam, both cases will find. That will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So the LCM that we are taking here, we are initially taking to avoid the fraction. That is a connection between these two methods. Are you understanding that? Here R plus S directly you can do 3 plus 2. Because LCM is already taken. Here the LCM, the same 30 LCM we are finding here. And we are writing 3 and 2 here itself. This same 3 plus 2. Are you understand the connection? मतलब ये हो गया 3 plus 2 by 30, 5 by 30, 1 by 6. ये हो गया 5. यहाँ पे 1 by 6 into how many days are needed to make the total work 1. यहाँ पे 5 is the 1 day work into how many days needed total work 30. दोनों का वैल्यू x equal to 6 आएगा. Are you all understanding? दोनों में what we used is efficiency into time period is equal to work done. Efficiency into time period equal to work done. This is analogous to speed distance time is time itself. Speed distance time में distance equal to speed into time we will say ना. Same thing itself. Speed को हम efficiency call कर रहे हैं. The rate at which you are doing work. Their rate at which you are moving, that is speed. Here rate at which you are doing work. But you can compare it to speed distance time formula itself. So efficiency into time taken. Speed distance equal to speed into time. Na? Are you all understanding? So that will be the total distance traveled. Instead of that, here it is total work done. Are you able to relate with that? So happy to hear, Denim. Both the methods you understood. Now I am going to make you more practice so that both methods will be convenient so that you can switch between methods wherever you want. So try this super fast. 1.5 minutes will be enough, I guess. Try to do it in 1.5 minutes. And all of you do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. As I told, in case there is any technical issue, you will be notified whenever the lecture starts. You will see Christy's classes is live now. So that is an easy way to get an idea when the lecture starts. And the link tagged in the chat, Telegram channel link, you can be part of to get free study materials and daily updates and daily free videos. Here what is asked, understand it and answer it. If the time is not enough, mention it. And those of you got an answer with the method, I want you to try with the other method also. Unitary method use किया तो LCM method से भी find करो answer. LCM method use किया तो unitary method से भी find करो answer. And tell me for this question, which method you felt easier. That also you can mention. Okay, so I'll explain. A can do a piece of work in 6 days and B can do the same work in 9 days. How many days will both take together to complete the work? Just like previous question, Ram और Shyam के जगह A and B है. That's the only difference. So first unitary method. Unitary method pizza से compare कर सकता है. Total work we are assuming 1 in unitary method. Total work 1 assume किया तो eating one whole pizza. Eating one whole pizza is the work to be done. A को कितना दिन लगेगा? उसके लिए 6 days लगेगा. So 1 day work कितना होगा A का? ये होल पिज्जा को ए क्या करेगा 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट करेगा 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट करने के बाद he will eat 1 out of 6 parts in a day. So 1 day work of A will be 1 by 6. तो B क्या करेगा सेम पिज्जा को B को सिर्फ 9 days में पूरा खाना है. मतलब ये पूरा पिज्जा को 9 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट करने के बाद हर दिन एक पीस खाएगा. मतलब एक दिन का काम 1 out of 9 है ना 9 में से एक पार्ट दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ 1 आउट ऑफ 9 ना। अभी ए और बी मिला के कितना काम करेगा एक दिन? 1/6 वर्क ऑफ ए, 1/6 1/9 वर्क ऑफ बी, 1/6 प्लस 1/9 एलसीएम तो 6 and 9 36 हो गया, सॉरी या 36 हो गया, दैट इज 6 into 6 4 times sorry 6 into 6 times 4 times, that is, sorry, we can take LCM 18 only, sorry, my mistake. LCM can be taken 18. Yeah, let me tell you one thing. If you take 36 also no problem. If you take 54 also no problem. Final answer will be same. LCM is the easy to work with. That is what I am taking. That is why I am taking LCM. Other common factors so always definitely cancel हो जाएगा. 18 will be the LCM. So 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. That will be 5/18. What is the meaning of that? A और B मिला के 5 out of 18 parts खा सकता है एक दिन। मतलब एक पूरा पिज्जा को 18 पार्ट्स कट करने के बाद हर दिन 5 पार्ट्स खा सकता है। हर दिन 5 पार्ट्स, हमें 18 आउट ऑफ 18 पार्ट्स खाना है ना, या मतलब ए एंड बी को हर दिन 5 पार्ट्स खाएगा 18 पार्ट्स में। 18 पार्ट्स में 5 पार्ट्स मींस 2 डे 5 + 5 10 पार्ट्स, 3 डे 15 पार्ट्स आउट ऑफ 18, 3 डे 15 आउट ऑफ 18, 4 डे 20 आउट ऑफ 18। 20 आउट ऑफ 18 इज मोर देन 1 ना, हमें 18 आउट ऑफ 18 चाहिए, मतलब 3 डे से ज्यादा होगा, 4 डेज से कम भी होगा। 3 से ज्यादा 4 से कम एक ही ऑप्शन है। दैट इज हाउ यू कैन लॉजिकली डू इट। अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑल्सो डू 5/18 है 1 डे वर्क, 5/18 into how many day work is there? X day work, that will make the total work 1. So x is equal to 18/5. X equal to 18/5 is 3.6. ऐसा भी सोच सकता है, but I will always recommend try to logically think that also. 5 out of 18 means 18 में से 5 पार्ट्स हो गया, so 18 में से 10 पार्ट्स होने के लिए 2 दिन चाहिए, 2 डेज चाहिए। 18 में से 15 पार्ट्स के लिए 3 डेज चाहिए। 18 में से 20 पार्ट्स के लिए 4 दिन। 20 पार्ट्स 18 में से कैसा होगा? पिज्जा का सिर्फ 18 पार्ट्स है ये सिचुएशन में, सो 3 से ज्यादा 4 से कम, सो 3.6 है आंसर ऑप्शन में। नहीं है तो वो भी एक्यूरेटली फाइंड कर सकता है। कैसा? 15 आउट ऑफ 18 पार्ट्स 3 डेज में हो गया ना, उसके बाद 3 पार्ट्स बचा है ना, 3 पार्ट्स बचा है, वो 3 पार्ट्स 5 पार्ट्स खा सकता है एक दिन। सो 3 पार्ट्स मींस 3/5 ओनली यू नीड टू डू। 3/5 उसको कन्वर्ट किया तो 3/5 इज 6/10, 6/10 is 0.6, that is 3.6. That is where your fraction and percentage comparison idea will help you. Check out my second lecture and third lecture in this playlist. You will learn a lot about it. That is why I told you those 2 preliminary chapters were very important for many of the chapters to proceed. Especially ये chapter के लिए बहुत ही important होगा। सबको clear है ये? That is the unitary method for doing this question. As I told, the logical thinking you have trouble in those steps, then you can use the help of math. एक दिन में 5/18 ऐसा x days चाहिए, so 5/18 into x equal to 1. So x is equal to 18/5 by cross multiplying, so 3.6. All of you understood this? Exactly, Risky. So happy to hear, Shaishta. And please mention this method clear or not. Then let's do the same question. One second, there is an alteration needed. If it is clear, please mention. And same question, how you can do with LCM method? You can do with LCM method by thinking that LCM of 6 and 9 be the work to be done. So LCM method के लिए pizza dangerous होगा, क्योंकि 18 pizzas खाना है। 18 पूरा pizzas खाना मतलब that is very dangerous ना। Already pizza is not a healthy food, and eating 18 pizzas in a row, that is not advisable. So we will take a chocolate, even if chocolate also is high calorie, but we can just assume chocolates. So मैं 18 chocolates खाना, that is the total work we are assuming. कहाँ से ये 18 आया? क्योंकि 6 days और 9 days का LCM, टोटल वर्क को मैं assume कर रहा है LCM of 6 and 9, that is 18 work to be done, and work I am assuming eating chocolates. So 18 chocolates to be eaten. That is the work we need to do. 18 chocolates to be eaten. A will do 6 chocolates. Sorry. A will complete that in 6 days. So 1 day work we are assuming for both. A will eat 18 में से 6 days में 18 chocolates खा सकता है. So 1 day में 18 का 1/6 only it can eat ना. He can eat ना. Because 18 chocolates in 6 days. So 1 day 3 chocolates, second day 3, third day 3. ये 3 क्या है? 1/6 of 18. So directly you can write 3 chocolates per day. And B will eat 1/9. 9 days 18 chocolates can be eaten. So 1 day 1/9 of 18. 1/9 of 18 is 2 chocolates per day. So A and B together will eat 3 plus 2, 5 chocolates per day. Now listen, 1 day they will eat 5 chocolates. Second day 5 more chocolates. So total 10. 3 day 15. The objective is to cover 18. So 3 day 15 chocolates are completed. Now still 3 chocolates are remaining ना. So उसके लिए एक पूरा दिन नहीं चाहिए. पूरा दिन नहीं चाहिए. 3/5 of a day is enough. Why 3/5 of a day? 1/5 of a day में 1/5 of the 5 chocolates can be eaten. 2/5 में 2/5. 5 का 3/5 है ना 3 chocolates. 3/5 of 5 is 3 chocolates. उसके लिए पूरा दिन का 1/5, 2/5, 3/5 काफी है. So 3/5 is needed. So 3 and 3/5. 3/5 is nothing but 6/10. 6/10 is 3.6 na. So 3.6 days you can find it. Or if that is troublesome, don't do this way. You can use the help of math. 1 day 5 chocolates. X days are needed to complete 18. X is equal to 18/5. I'm not completely avoiding mathematical steps. Only when needed use it. That is my point. If you can think this way faster, do this. If not, use this. But make a try with this. Don't completely discard this by saying, okay, for me that is not okay at all. If you try only, you will know. Yeah, the problem is our school systems have made us do this way only. Any steps. Unnecessarily we will use mathematical steps. That is why we are habited to it. That is why logical thinking or we thinking that intuitively you can conclude this है ऐसा है तो 1 day ऐसा है तो 2 day ऐसा होगा 3 day ऐसा होगा. Those methods your brain will block you for an instant to learn them, because brain will tell you have learned something for the last 15 years, then why you are totally changing it instantly. That law of inertia you have to tackle. उसके लिए external force देना है. That force is what I am trying to give you. But you should practice. That only will ensure that you will come out of that rote learning system that we have practiced for 15 years. Yeah, 20 years. The benefit is huge now. That is why I am saying try to do that, because the benefit is in exams you will be much faster so that you can do more question and your chance of clearing the exam will increase, any exams. Secondly, your daily life, how you see things in daily life will change. Those of you haven't attended my ratio proportion percentages classes, check it out. That is where I have explained more ideas regarding this fraction simplification and all. All of you understood this much? So both methods are clear. Now tell me your personal favorite. As per the last two questions, which is your personal favorite, or you liked both the methods, unitary method or LCM method? Are you clear about both? Tell me, give me your feedback. So can you do this question also? Here what is asked is little different. So carefully try it and answer it. Okay, both methods are easy, so happy to hear. Most of you felt both methods are easy. Very good. Some of you felt unitary is easy. Very good. Some of you felt LCM is easy. Very good. All are fine. You people can decide, but be flexible with both. That will be advisable because there will be some questions where LCM will work better. There will be some questions where unitary will work better. If you want to learn only one, I will suggest you learn unitary only. बिकॉज यूनिटरी से सारा क्वेश्चंस कर सकता है, थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लग सकता है इफ यू आर यूजिंग इफ योर फ्रैक्शन सिंप्लीफिकेशन स्किल्स इज नॉट दैट गुड. बट द गुड थिंग इज एवरी क्वेश्चन कैन बी डन विद यूनिटरी. बट एलसीएम से एवरी क्वेश्चन डूइंग देयर इज सम डिफिकल्टी इन सम क्वेश्चंस दैट यू मे गेट स्टक इन बिटवीन. So that is why unitary anyway you should learn. LCM if you are learning and using it in maximum question, very good, that is good only. But unitary method you should know the idea of it, that please don't avoid. Okay, so A and B together can complete a piece of work in 15 days and B alone in 20 days. In how many days A alone can complete the work? Unlike previous two questions, here one person's work is asked. Both persons together work is given. But the ideas are same itself. Na? So total work is eating the pizza if you assume. If total work is eating the pizza if you assume. What is given in the question? A and B together can complete in 15 days. So total work I am assuming 1. So total ये पूरा pizza को खाना है. A and B together, B alone. First we will write B alone. B 1 day में कितना काम करेगा? 1 day में B करेगा 1/20 of the full pizza. B will eat 1/20th of the full pizza. So if you are cutting it into 20 parts, 1/20th of this B can eat, 1/20th of this pizza. And A and B together can complete in 15 days means A and B together if they try, they will cut it into 15 parts and they will share 1 out of 15 parts every day. That is the meaning now. So 1 out of 15 A and B together. But what is the work of A we don't know. So I will call that 1/x where x is the number of days taken by A. 1/x will be the 1 day work of A na. So definitely ये दोनों ऐड किया तो ये मिलना चाहिए. That is the idea. A's work plus B's work 1 day will be A plus B's 1 day work. So 1/x equal to, you don't have to write like this. You can directly say 1/15 minus 1/20 is the 1/x. That is LCM 60 and this will be 1/15 का 4 times, 20 का 3 times. So that is 1/60. 1/x is 1/60. 1/x 1/60 है तो x 60 होगा ना. Did you all understood x is 60 how? Please respond. Yes, Risky. I have lot of varieties of pizzas. No, I just Google it and find it, nothing else. To make the class interesting, that are the things I do. So all of you clear about it? This is a unitary approach. Same question LCM approach से भी कर सकता है. So yeah, 30 chocolates have been deleted. Just a minute. I will add 30 more chocolates. Please wait. I'm bringing chocolates for you. Please wait. Okay, now 60 chocolates are there. So the LCM approach, how it will work here? Let total work be LCM of, 1 second, it is not reflected yet. Please wait. There's some sync issue, please wait. Okay, now it is fine. Sorry for the delay. So the LCM approach, how it will work here? The LCM approach, let LCM of total work we are assuming. Total work is equal to LCM of 15 and 20. 15 and 20 का LCM ले लो total work. That is 60. 60 is the LCM. मतलब 60 chocolates. Yeah, now the 60 chocolates are there. I somehow got 60 chocolates for you people. So 60 chocolates. So ये 60 chocolates खाना है, the objective or the work to be done. ये 60 chocolates खाना है ना. इसके लिए A कितना टाइम लगेगा हमें पता नहीं है, लेकिन B को लगेगा 20 days. B को लगेगा 20 days. So B को लगेगा 20 days means, yeah, this is where LCM approach will be little confusing. That's why I told you please use unitary method wherever LCM method is confusing. So 60 में से B खाएगा 1/20th of 60. 1/20th of 60 क्या है? B खा सकता है 3 chocolates per day. 1 day work we are finding na. 3 chocolate per day. So let X be the answer. So A will eat 1/x of 60 chocolates. That is what you need to understand. LCM approach, this is where it is little time consuming. 1/x of 60. And A and B together will do how much work? A and B together 1/15 days में कर सकता है. So 1/15 of 60 chocolates. ये 60 chocolates को क्या करेगा? 60 chocolates को we will divide it into 60 equal parts. Sorry, 60 chocolates को we will divide it into how many? 15 days. 1/15 of 60. 1/15 of 60 will be 4 chocolates. So हर दिन दोनों मिला के 4 chocolates खाएगा. 4 chocolates खाएगा तो definitely that means 1 day work will be 4 chocolates ना. That means 60/x equal to 60/x plus 3 will be 4. So 60/x equal to 1, x equal to 60. This is the LCM approach. So what you can understand is यहाँ पे unitary method better है. यहाँ पे means ये question पिछले question से कैसा different है? यहाँ पे 1 person का work नहीं दिया है ना. 1 person का work नहीं दिया है, लेकिन टोटल वर्क दिया है, मतलब दोनों मिला के कितना वर्क किया है वो दिया है. In that case unitary approach will be better. In my experience, you can, if you feel this is better for you, then you can do this, no problem. Which is better for you, that you can use, but only after practicing all questions decide that which is better for you. That is my suggestion. All of you understood it? How to do LCM approach and unitary method. In this question my personal favorite will be unitary method itself in this question. So now we will see more questions. I think we will now discuss a previous year question itself. That will be better now. Then we will go for more type of question. This is a 2019 GATE exam problem. All of you try it, or we will start with a even more simpler question asked. Yeah, this itself we will start with. Try it. 1.5 minutes to try. All of you try. Yes, Abhi. So, yes, Swati. Okay, Shivangi. After all of you clear gate exam and other exams that you are preparing, we will plan a party. There I will give chocolates. Yeah, you people give me pizza and I will give you chocolates. So, all of you try this question. Most of you got it right. Very good. I'll just start explanation now. Just a minute. Okay, now you people arrange chocolates and pizzas. I will just explain directly, just to start thinking interesting way. I have used that pizza and okay, the image got changed, right? Sorry. I don't know how it changed. Yeah, which question did you try? This question or the other question? I don't know how it changed. Both questions are actually same only. Both questions are same because only one step is different. In two different question papers, these two questions were there. I will explain both the question. It would take one machine 4 hours to complete a production order. So here the work is completing a production order. If you are not okay with that work, you can replace that work with eating pizza or eating chocolates. Are you all understanding? Because idea are all the same only. So two machines I will call machine A, machine B. So I will do one thing. I will simultaneously show unitary method and LCM method so that there is no confusion and you can compare very easily. So total work दोनों में क्या होगा? यूनिटरी अप्रोच में या यूनिटरी मेथड में टोटल वर्क ऑलवेज 1 होगा, यूनिट होगा. एलसीएम अप्रोच में ए 4 आवर्स में फिनिश करेगा, बी 2 आवर्स में फिनिश करेगा. सो एलसीएम ऑफ 2 and 4, LCM of 2 and 4 will be the total work. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4 only because 2 is a factor of 4 only. So total work is 4, total work is 1. अभी 1 day work, 1 day या 1 hour, हाँ यहाँ पे यूनिट तो आवर है. सो 1 hour वर्क ए का कितना होगा? ए इज दिस 1/4. यहाँ पे ए का वर्क कितना होगा? 1/4 तो 4 1. बी का वर्क कितना होगा? 1/2. यहाँ पे 1/2 of 4, 1/2 of 4 will be 2. A and B मिला के कितना काम करेगा? 1/4 plus 1/2 in unitary method. In LCM method, A and B together 3 work will be done. Are you understanding? Now सोचो either logically or mathematically. First of all, LCM 4, that is 3/4. 1 day A and B मिला के 3/4 वर्क करेगा. मतलब टोटल पिज्जा का 3 out of 4. एक पिज्जा को 4 पार्ट्स कट करके 3 पार्ट्स खा सकता है 1 आवर में. यहाँ पे 3 chocolate out of 4 chocolates. 4 chocolates are there. 3 out of 4 they have eaten already. So some more time is needed to eat the remaining 1 chocolate. Na? So either you can directly write efficiency is equal to total work is equal to efficiency into time taken. So total work efficiency into time taken. Efficiency is 3/4 into time taken is x days or x hours. Sorry. X hours, let x be the number of hours needed. That is equal to 1. Here it will be 3 into x will be equal to 4 because total work to be completed is 4. Look at this. This is all same now. Can you see that? So x is equal to 4 by 3. यहाँ पे x is equal to 4 by 3. दोनों का आंसर 4 by 3 आएगा. All clear? What is unitary method? What is LCM method? How they are connected? All clear? हाँ, ये hours में है, so ज़्यादा dangerous नहीं है. The pizza will not be rotten. No, Prakhar. Meetup be imaginary meetup hai, Prakhar, as of now. I was just telling to those people who were asking when I will they need not virtual chocolates, real chocolates are needed. Just to give a counter to that question, I was telling, after all of you clear your GATE exams, CSIR exams, we can plan for a meetup, and that time I will give you chocolates. So if you people give me pizzas. So anyway, all of you understood this LCM approach or unitary method में क्या difference है या क्या connection है. So ये question तो same है ना. Mowing the lawn means setting the lawn ready. So mowing the lawn is the work to be done. Instead of previous question production order, here it is lawn preparation. So that means the mowing the lawn ka jagah you can substitute it with chocolates, eating chocolates or eating pizzas, according to which method you use. So ye bhi same, yahan tak same hai na, because the values so same hai. 2 hours and 4 hours hi hai na. So unitary method ho ya LCM method ho, previous question se identical hai, total work. So I will just directly write A and B together, x and y together. X plus y together will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Here it will be x plus y together will be, total work को क्या assume किया, 4 assume किया. So 1 by 2 of 4 2 plus 1 by 4 of 4 1 3. So this, when you take LCM, you will get 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into time taken, let it be x hours or x hours. सोचा तो 3 by 4 into x equal to 1, 3 into x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 3, x equal to 4 by 3. But after this there is a problem. Problem means one more step. In minutes we need the answer. This is in hour na, because everything was in hour, we haven't converted it. Convert it in the end only, that is better. अभी इसको 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है आंसर मिलने के लिए. 60 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 20 into 4 80 minutes. Why 60 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है? Because 1 hour is 60 minutes ना. So 1 hour is 60 minutes means 4 by 3 hours is 4 by 3 into 60 minutes. सबको clear है? दोनों गेट प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम्स में आया था. गेट 2019 में 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में आया था ये. सबको इतना क्लियर है? Yeah, now we will go for more complicated questions. Before that, I'll do one thing. I'll show you one more question so that you can approach more complicated questions easily. Can you try this question yourself, all of you? I'll do one thing. I'll give little more time. 2.5 minutes I'll give you. Try this question. हाँ, दोनों मेथड से करना है, यूनिटरी से भी LCM से भी. Shaishta, last step was 1 hour is 60 minutes. So for 4 by 3 hours we got. 4 by 3 hours we converted to minutes by multiplying by 60. So 4 by 3 into 60, 3 and 60 cancels, 20 into 4, 80 minutes. That's it. All of you try now, 2 minutes more. Okay, many of you got an answer. So this is little different, but the logic is all the same, na? What is finally asked only is different. How to start or how to proceed is all the same. Okay, so I will show you the same question with unitary method and LCM method. Unitary method में है तो the whole pizza को total work eating the whole pizza है. A क्या करेगा 1/15 of the pizza खा सकता है. B क्या करेगा 1/20th of the pizza खा सकता है. A and B क्या करेगा 1/15 plus 1/20 खा सकता है ना मिला के. That is total LCM 60. That will be 4 plus 3/60, 7/60. That is 7/60 of the pizza will be eaten in a day. मतलब ये total pizza को 60 पार्ट्स कट करके उसका 7 out of 60 पार्ट्स खा सकता है एक दिन में. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन है, एक दिन में 7/60 खा सकता है. सो 4 दिन में 4 times 7/60 खा सकता है ना. 4 times 7/60 28/60. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट 4 times 7/60 क्यू. सो 60 में से 28 पार्ट्स खा सकता है. सो कितना वर्क बचा है, मतलब कितना पिज्जास बचा है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट अप्रोच. पिज्जा का 60 में से 28 पार्ट्स खाया, सो बचा हुआ 32 पार्ट्स बचा है. 32 out of 60 parts are remaining. That is the answer. 32/60 is what? 8/15. So 8/15. नहीं है तो इसको डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट करो. 28/60 is 7/15. 7/15 का बाकी 8/15 है ना. That is where your fraction, how much you like fractions will help you. 7 out of 15 ऐसा सोचना है. 15 में से 7, 15 में से 7 मतलब 15 में से 8 बचा है ना, ऐसा सोचना है. So 8/15. all clear? So that is the unitary method. If unitary method is not okay, the same question can be done with LCM method. Now I have the 60 chocolates properly. So 60 chocolates है. क्यों 60 chocolates? 15 और 20 60. 15 और 20 का LCM 60 chocolates totally है. तो A क्या करेगा, उसमें से 1/15 of it will be eaten in a day, क्योंकि 15 days चाहिए या पूरा 60 chocolates खाने के लिए. मतलब एक दिन में एक डे what he will do 60/15 16/15 60/15 4 chocolates only in a day. A will eat 4 chocolates. Similarly B will eat 1/20th of 60 3 chocolates. मतलब A और B मिला के 7 chocolates खा सकता है एक दिन. अभी logically think करो. 7 chocolates one day, 7 more chocolates another day, 14 chocolates done, 21 chocolates third day, 28 chocolates fourth day. So how many days are needed for that? Sorry, after 4 days. First we will find after 4 days. ये 1 day का है. So 4 days बाद it will be 28 chocolates completed. ये 60 में से 28 chocolates are completed. ये है 28 chocolates. मतलब 32 chocolates बचा है ना. 32 chocolates बचा है. 32 out of 60. 32 out of 60 are remaining. What fraction of the work is left, or what fraction of total chocolates are left? So 32 out of 60, 8/15 is left. So 8/15 is the answer. Hope all of you understood this. That is how to do this question. LCM approach, unitary method, both are fine. So this you can try as homework. Due to lack of time, I will give this as homework. So all of you try this as homework. Here also you can use LCM approach, unitary approach. Both are okay. Unitary method में 28/60 डाउट है साक्षी. 28/60 आया बिकॉज 1 day A का वर्क था. हाउ मच A का वर्क देयर वाज 1/20 ना. 20 वर्क वाज डन ना. 1/20. B का 1/15. 1/20 plus 1/15. 1/20 plus 1/15 will be 1/20 plus 1/15 will be 1/60. Sorry, 7/60. 7/60 in a day. But question said they work together for 4 days. So 7/60, 7/60, 7/60, 7/60. That is 28/60 na. So 28/60 work is done by them already in 4 days. So how much work is remaining? 1 minus 28 by 60. Those of you are not okay with that complementary approach or complement method, you can directly use 1 minus 7 by 15. I was just assuming, yeah, 28 by 60. I was just assuming that you people are already aware, because in the probability chapter, permutation combination chapter, ratio proportion chapter, all places I already told you, you don't have to write like this. You can just think 28 by 60 hai to baki 32 by 60 bacha hai na. 28 out of 60 already taken. So 32 out of 60 remaining, because 60 mein se 28 is removed. So 32 is remaining. If that is not okay, take help. Total fraction is 1. 1 minus 28 by 60. 60 LCM. 60 minus 28. This is the approaches we learned in school days. That is total waste of time, but you will get the same answer. So those who are not getting directly 28 ka baki 32 hai, then you do this way. 1 minus, total minus. I hope it is clear. So this is homework. So now we'll see a few more previous questions. This was a 2020 GATE exam problem. Little time consuming. I'll give you 2.5 minutes. All of you try it. Today's chapter extension is pipe and cistern chapter. Tomorrow we will do, most probably tomorrow 11 o'clock class will be there. In case there is a chance that I may have a meeting, in case there is any chance, I will let you know that if the class will be rescheduled. Monday most probably class will not be there. Monday most probably 11 o'clock class will not be there. If tomorrow class is not taken, tomorrow's class I will try to take in evening. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification. In the community post also, you will get the update if the class is rescheduled. Or in the Telegram channel also you can get it. So try this. This is little more complicated, but the ideas you learned will help you to tackle it. Okay, many of you got the answer. We will proceed with the unitary method itself and see whether we are getting answer. Uske baad मैं इसका improvisation भी देगा, how to improvise the solution and get even more faster answer. Okay, it was estimated that 52 men can complete. 52 men can complete a work. So here the work is not eating pizza, but you can just consider eating pizza itself is the work to be done. No problem. So it was estimated 52 men can complete a strip in a newly constructed highway. Completing a strip in newly constructed highway is the work. Connecting cities P and Q, that is just extra things in the premise only. In 10 days. So here the problem is there is not one person, there is a group of people. So if you are using unitary approach, we need to make everything in units. Let total work be 1. That is the idea of unitary method. Na? Then 1 day work, here it is in days. So 1 day work consider kiya to 1 by 10 hoga. But that one day work is of 1 man. But here the number of men is changing. Na? So everything you need to make in units. Then only it will be easy. So 1 day work of 52 men is this. So 1 day work of 1 man will be 1 by 52nd, 1 by 52 portion of this work. Na? Are you all understanding? 52 people 1 by 10 काम कर सकता है एक दिन. So 1 person वो 1 by 10 काम का 1 by 52 portion only can be done. Because remaining 51 by 52 portions will be done by the remaining people only. All of you are understanding that? Please respond. 1 by 52 into 1 by 10 will be the 1 man's work in 1 day. 1 man's work in 1 day. Everything you made in 1 day, 1 man, 1 day, 1 man's one work. Total work is 1 na. So everything in units. So that is the 1 day work of 1 man. Now what happened? Due to an emergency, 12 men were sent to another project. Matlab 52 में से 12 men, so 40 people only are remaining. How many number of days more than the original estimate will be required to complete the strip? ये 40 people एक काम किया तो एक दिन एक person इतना काम कर रहा है. So 1 day ये 40 people, 1 day ये 40 people, 40 into 1 by 52 into 1 by 10 काम कर सकता है ना. Are you all understanding? इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो 10 and 10 cancels, 4 and 52 cancels, 1 by 13 work, 1 by 13 work in 1 day, 1 by 13 work in 1 day by 40 people. So how many days are needed? 13 days are needed. Are you all understanding 13 days? So what is the answer? 13 days? No. 13 days is there in the answer option, but that is not the answer. क्योंकि question क्या पूछ रहा है? How many days more than the original estimate? Original estimate 10 days था. 10 days से भी कितना ज़्यादा? So 13 minus 10, 3 days will be extra needed. So 3 only is the answer. How many of you understood this? Please respond. ये है unitary approach, but you can improvise this. Efficiency approach use किया तो ये question थोड़ा और fast कर सकता है. बट यूनिटरी मेथड क्लियर है तो एफिशिएंसी मेथड यूज करना बहुत ही इजी होगा. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस यूनिटरी मेथड? ओनली डिफरेंस विद दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन इज हियर इट इज नॉट 1 मैन, सो यू मेक इट 1 मैन. 1 मैन नहीं है तो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन जैसा बनाने के लिए 1 मैन का वर्क सर्च करो ना. 52 मैन का वर्क है ये, so 1 मैन का वर्क 1 by 52 of that होगा. That is why I told you the fraction idea should be very clear. Now if you don't want to use this, or if you want to improvise this method, you can use the efficiency approach. Do you remember I have told you total work done is equal to efficiency into time taken. Again, this can be in different terms you can use. I am just using a term that is coming in my mouth. Instead of time, total work, efficiency also there can be other symbols you can use. Eta is the efficiency, T is the time period, total work also there is a symbol that is used. Again, that all is irrelevant. What symbol you use is irrelevant. Different textbooks follow different symbols. You define your own symbol. That is my policy. Because textbook by hearting the symbols, by hearting terminologies, that was a mistake we done. Now we should not repeat that. You decide what is understandable for you. Use that. Efficiency का जगह rate. Some people use the term rate. Rate ज़्यादा पसंद है तो use rate. R into T is equal to work. Work is equal to rate into time. Rate at which you are doing the work for how much time. That is very logical, na? But when you write it as an equation, it will look like, okay, this is something to be rote learned. No, don't rote learn. That is why I didn't explain efficiency method till now. I used unitary method and LCM method so that your brain will start thinking logically. After that you use formula, no problem. But don't start with formula. That is my suggestion, my opinion. Okay, anyway. यहाँ पे दो सिचुएशंस दे रहा है ना, 52 मेन वर्क करने वाला सिचुएशन, 40 मेन वर्क करने वाला सिचुएशन. 52 मेन वर्क करने वाला सिचुएशन में 52 men, yeah, here actually number of people is also involved. Efficiency into time period is not only enough. Number of people into time period we need to find. Okay, that is why we will not, here the total number of people is different. Na? So, 52 men can do it in 10 days means total work, total man work, that is called total man work. Total man work that happened is 52 into 10 ना. मतलब अभी people को कम किया तो भी total man work ये 52 into 10 itself होना चाहिए. Total man work should be 52 into 10 itself. मतलब अभी सिर्फ 40 people है तो कितना दिन लगेगा? Let that be x. So that should be equal ना. Total man hours we can say. Total man hours or total man, here it is days. Total man days will be 52 into 10. 10 days, 1 person. Sorry, 10 days, 52 people. So 520 days, if 520 people are needed. If 520 people are there, 520 days are there. Na? Are you all understanding? If 1 person only, 520 days are there. Sorry, 1 person only 520 days. So 40 into x should be equal to this. Did you all understood this? And then equating this also, you get the answer. 520 by 40, 13. Actually, this is not different. It is same itself. Unitary में वो fraction में express करेगा. यहाँ पे fraction avoid किया. Fraction avoid करना बहुत ही important है तो. If you don't like fraction at all, you hate fractions means, then go for this. Otherwise, do the rest, do that previous one itself, because this and that is same only. So it is all perspectives. Whichever is better for you, find it and do that way. That's all. LCM method चाहिए तो LCM भी apply कर सकता है, लेकिन LCM apply करने में यहाँ पे problem ये है, यहाँ पे LCM will not be, LCM is involved with respect to that men involved also. So it's better to avoid LCM because that may create a little more confusion, but answer you will get the same itself if you use LCM also. So homework, you can try LCM yourself. LCM approach से भी ये question try करना possible है. ये question December 2018 में आया था, लेकिन इसमें से 4 ऑप्शन में एक भी ऑप्शन सही नहीं है. Options में problem है. So you try the question and you get the correct answer and tell me. Tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, I'll do one thing. I told you work and time का extension है pipe and cistern. I will give you some more practice of work and time in the next class also, and by that we can build and start pipe and cistern, because pipe and cistern से कम question आया है. Yes, unitary method, the good thing is it is actually universal. Any question can be done with that. So just start loving fractions, then unitary method will be enough for all questions. So this is also homework. If possible, I will try. I will show you each questions in the next class. Now, one more question if we start. What's the time? 12:50. Okay, for today we will finish here. I want all of you to try the rest question. Work and time is not over. Tomorrow means next class. Most probably it will be tomorrow. Tomorrow also we will discuss these questions, and pipe and cistern we will discuss also. Pipe and cistern का idea same है, there is no difference at all. 2022 exam में एक pipe and cistern problem आया था. If you want you can try this also, but work and time mainly. Pipe and cistern में work is filling the tank or emptying the tank. That's the only difference. Work and time chapter ही है pipe and cistern भी, लेकिन वहाँ पे negative work है. That's the only thing. Doing work normally in the work and time chapter, negative work is less because everyone does positive work. Everyone try to complete the work. Na? They contribute to the work. But in pipe and cistern, there is negative work. An object or a thing can do negative work, especially a leak on the tank. एक टैंक को फिल करना है वर्क, मतलब वो टैंक में एक होल है तो that hole is doing negative work. So वहाँ पे negative work का involvement है, that is a main difference, not difference, that is just the extra addition that you need to know. That I will teach you next class. Work and time का भी कुछ questions करेगा और pipe and cistern का भी. Those of you want it, you can screenshot it and try this also. Pipe and cistern का सिर्फ 4 or 5 question आया है GATE exam में, लेकिन work and time का almost 7 or 8 questions आया है. So work and time, a few more questions we will discuss next class. I hope the concept is clear now. Now more complicated questions are there, that I will teach you next class. लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर्म करने का भी थोड़ा क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए कुछ क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. या प्लीज मेंशन योर ओपिनियन, व्हाट यू फेल्ट अबाउट द क्लास एंड ऑल. योर ओपिनियंस विल बी वैल्यूएबल फॉर मी in the chat, in the comments, and through the like button you can express your opinion. If you felt that you have learned work and time chapter, or you are now little more confident about work and time chapter, please let me know. And after the class also, as I told yesterday, if possible, make a comment on this video. That will help others also know what is in this class, how it is different from other courses, and whether people are able to follow this course. Secondly, that will help YouTube to know that this content is good for GATE aspirants, and it will be recommended to GATE aspirants. That is how YouTube algorithm work. So take an effort for that. And yesterday I have shared a link in the Telegram channel. That link also you can mention your review about the course. That is a Google page link. There also you can mention what you are feeling about this course. So that's it. Next class, pipes and cisterns. Tomorrow, most probably, if tomorrow's class is there, 11 o'clock, I will try my maximum to keep the timing. But if not, tomorrow some other time class will be there. Some other time, that may be 2 p.m., that may be 5 p.m. That I will let you know. That will depend upon whether that meeting is meeting is there or not. So that's it. I think let us finish for this chapter. So happy to hear Shekhar. So happy to hear all the good words. Thank you all of you. Thank you all of you. Yeah. So that's it. The link given in the chat, Telegram channel link, you can click on it and be part of it if you are not, and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update, and so that you don't get confused when the lecture starts, or if there is a technical issue due to any reasons. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.